Alright, at this time, I'd like you to make a word called rec. File edit and choose rec. And then up here we got to put a special :L, :W. And then we got to put repeat 2 times brackets forward :L, right 90, forward :W, right 90. Make sure you have your brackets. Those are by the enter key. And then we'll finish with pen up, home, pen down. When you get that built, do file, save, and exit. Down here do CS and then test it by typing rec 3266. Notice it builds a rectangle that's 32 by 66. Try changing the numbers. And notice it builds any rectangle. If you do set heading -270, or set heading 270, sorry I did the negative, the turtle aims that way, and if you type rec 100 by 5, it does a 100 by 5 rectangle. So put 5 or 6 rectangles on the screen, and then call me over to let me see what you built with your rectangles. Good job, and get to work.